I'm Leanne, a junior from Hong Kong.
Hi, I'm Owen, a junior from Shanghai.
Since we're here on campus over spring break, we're going to take you on this virtual tour of campus today. This is Lenfest Library.
This is the library where we have history and humanity classes.
And we also use it as a study space. It's open during study hours at night, and a lot of people come to do work and hang out. We're going to take you to see a classroom.
So you could ask about like what did this lead to?
Yeah.
And then we will talk about like, okay, so there is.
What are you guys doing?
Well, we are just talking about the Miranda versus Arizona, which is a Supreme Court case decided in 1966, which has resulted in the rights against self-incrimination, rights to an attorney, due process.
Yeah, so this is just like a great space where we normally would study history. And as you can see, there's a ladder and a huge whiteboard. People can just come even after class, working on group projects or just simply review for their class or upcoming tests. And it's also really fun that we have like tables where people can just like write on the tables and erase them.
Yeah, it's really great for like group workspace because you can work on the tables as well if you don't want like such a big board. So you could like move closer together and just like TV screens on almost like every end. So yeah, it's really cool.
Thank you guys.
You're welcome.
We're going to head to the next stop now. Edwards room. This is where a lot of 9th grade English classes are held, and it used to serve as a dining hall, as a library, a lot of different functions. We'll be coming into Rutledge Hall, which is where I think all of the English classes are held. Let's go look at a Harkness classroom.
Hey guys, what books are you guys reading?
Oh, we're just reading the Shakespeare's Macbeth, and then we were talking about whether he has wanted the power all along, right? Mm-hmm. And how it was induced by the witches that come up in the very beginning of the play.
Yep. A lot of speculation about whether or not Macbeth was like the hero or the villain, or if the witches were to blame for like what happened to them, what happened to him. So.
I mean, would you agree that Macbeth wouldn't have pursued what he did in the play if it wasn't for the prophecy that was brought up?
Yeah. Because the same thing might also happen to Malcolm.
Right.
As he says later, like he has that dark side.
Right.
So what do you guys usually do in a typical English class? Like, what about the Harkness table makes it special?
Well, I think what's so special about Harkness table is the fact that everyone can participate equally in a discussion, where you are not facing one side of the classroom and then the people in the back of the classroom tend to not participate. This way we can, be inclusive to everyone who's here and then help everyone facilitate the discussion to reach, the point that we are trying to learn.
Yeah. This is like the norm of our English class, where we read books and then we just come into the classroom, hear what like people think of the book, different opinions. So it's really a rewarding experience.
Mm-hmm. Well, this is it for English. The next stop will be the athletic complex. It's going to be kind of a long walk, so we're going to take a shortcut and see you there. Bye.
Hi, I'm Ebube. I'm from Nigeria. I play soccer and I used to play basketball, and now I'm going to show you the athletic center. So right now we're in the Hill Field House, which was built in 2017. As you can see, we have the track over here, which we use for track and field events during the winter. And then right in the center, we have like courts for basketball, tennis, volleyball. It's just like a space to use whenever the weather outside isn't too like favorable and stuff like that. So, anything to say?
I guess we can see some of our friends practicing here.
Yeah.
They're running.
I guess you're gonna come to us soon. Let's go over and see them.
Yeah.
Hey guys! What are you doing?
This is some workout then.
Oh, could you tell us what you like to do in this space?
Well, we can play basketball around here.
Yep.
As you can see, there's a basketball court. And there's a tennis. You can play tennis over there. And if you look at the far right, there is a batting cage. You can play baseball too.
And it's really nice when it's cold outside to just come in and like run a few laps. But yeah, which is what we're doing now.
Yep.
And just to note that this facility is newly built in 2017, and you can come over here to practice your sports every time during PGA time.
Awesome, thank you. Okay, now let's see the rest of the facility. Over here we have some of the awards that people have won, like individual awards. For example, over here, these are the pen relay teams from like a really long time ago. We have 1927 to 1939 and 1897 to 1926. So over here we have more of the same thing. So most of the walls in the athletic center are actually just like students' individual achievements and stuff like that.
So these are our squash courts. We have about a dozen of them. And both our boys squash team and girls squash team practice here. There's some more here.
And now let's go see the pool. Mercersburg has had a number of Olympic gold medalists over the years, some of whom have been swimmers. So over here we have an Olympic-sized swimming pool, which is brand new. It was just built in 2019. Over here we have the Fowle common room. Fowle is one of our girl dorms, and in here we have like chairs if you were to sit. We have like a mini library. We have a TV, a computer, and a printer, a fridge, snack closets, basically anything. Hey Jasmine.
Hi.
You're reading?
Yeah, doing some reading here. It's pretty chill in the common room where people can just come at any hours that they're free and hang out with friends, read, or watch a TV, play a show. We can even like dance here, according to some,
Yeah, it's really a common area that's like taking the word literally, because we have a lot of our dorm meetings in here with our dorm dean, Miss Parsons. And whenever we have like end of year surprises, like maybe we'd all gather around and we'd have the boy a cappella group sing for us, or we'd have like dorm fun games to do together, and then maybe winner doesn't get like room checks, stuff like that. Just really fun things. It's just a really chill place to hang out. And over here we have what a typical dorm room looks like. Each student usually has at least one roommate, some have two. And then your dorm room comes with like a bed, a mattress, and a place for you to study, and then a place for you to keep your clothes as well. It's a really peaceful area that you can like make your own. You're allowed to bring all sorts of decorations from home, anything that could make it feel like you're still at home with your parents, anything like that. You just really get to make it your own space.
Hope you guys enjoy your walk in Irving, where we have our science, language, and math classes.
Now we're gonna head over to the Art Center. So over here we have a school chapel. This is where we usually have like guest speakers, some school meetings, and of course we do like chapel on Sundays as well. And then up there we have like a full set of carillon bells, which you can usually hear playing all week. Sounds really nice. Welcome to our Simon Theater. This room seats about over 600 people, and this is where we usually have more school meetings, school performances, and yeah, that's actually quiet. So we usually sit by grade, and at the end of the year, we have this fun little moving up ceremony. So like maybe 10th graders are gonna come for just, it's a fun thing that we like to do. So on the stage, we have our dance concerts, our performances, our Stony Batter plays, guest speakers, most of the school activities that are supposed to be done in front of the entire school, they take place on the stage. And like I said, it sits like 600 people, so it's usually an everybody comes to enjoy and have fun event.
Hi everyone, I'm Shoki, and I'm pretty involved here in the art program here, and I'm a member of the jazz band, and I'm in the Burgin Center very, very often, and Leanne and I are going to show off the Burgin Center for you guys. Come with me. So right now all the instruments are out here, but the room over here is the band room where the band meets almost every day to practice. And down there is a chorale room where the chorale meets also almost every day here to practice. The jazz band, by the way, also practice in the band room. The jazz band has 2 pops concerts each year, and the band perform for the school meetings and have outside concerts and adjudications each year too. And the interesting feature here is there's a recording studio here where you can record your own songs and make your own record.
Sounds good. I'm gonna bring you to the dance studio now. That's where I spend most of my time. I'm a year-round dancer, so we have dance is one of the PGAs, which we do 2 hours every day. So I spend 2 hours every weekday here, more on the weekends, and just dancing. It's honestly such a great program. Our teachers are great, and it's so great to be able to dance with such amazing people and such talented dancers. Similar to jazz band, we put on 3 shows each year. 2 of them are full concerts with like costumes and lighting, and a lot of people go watch. It's really fun. And the winter one is a student showcase. So it's where we choreograph our own dances, and we're able to showcase that and see our pieces performed on stage, which is an amazing experience too. Here we're gonna show you one of our dance studios. This is where we practice, where we have classes, have guest choreographers come in. Here we are. Come on. The lighting's really great, and we have a full-length mirror, and it's a really great facility to dance in. Here. We also have practice rooms down this hallway and around this building for any students to come in with an instrument. There's a piano in every room to just practice their own music and practice for jazz, chorale, any other organization. Oh. Hey, Jasmine. What are you playing?
I'm playing Debussy's Clair de Lune.
Oh, okay. Yeah. How often are you here?
Basically every day. Sometimes I go in the morning before I have breakfast. Sometimes I just go in the evening after I finish my work. And this is just a really nice space for playing the piano. Whenever I come, I would hear also other people in the other practice rooms making music. This is also where our a cappella group Octet practices every night. And if you walk in after 9:30, we would just hear their amazing music just ringing in the building.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, thank you, Jasmine. As she said, this entire building is so full of music, and anytime you come in, there's always a lot of people playing piano, singing, dance music blaring from the studios, and it's a really great place to just hang out on the weekends or just practice art. So we've reached the end of our tour. We're just gonna let you take a quick look of the dining hall and student center on your own, and I'll see you in a second. Thank you for visiting us today. Now we're all gonna have to go pack and go home to prepare for our online classes next week.
Good luck with
your decision. We hope to see you here next year.
Bye.